Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make royal icing without meringue powder. First, we'll focus on using fresh egg whites. You'll need about 3 large egg whites, ensuring they are pasteurized for safety since this recipe is uncooked. Combine these with 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. This method creates a classic, crisp icing perfect for decorating cookies and cakes. We'll also add a touch of lemon juice for flavor and stability. Next, let's explore a fantastic vegan alternative, aquafaba. This is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, and it whips up beautifully. For every egg white, you'll use about 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. Whip it vigorously until it forms stiff, glossy peaks. Then, gradually incorporate your powdered sugar and any flavorings. This creates a stable, delicious royal icing that's perfect for those avoiding eggs. Now let's talk about flavor and consistency. A teaspoon of vanilla extract or fresh lemon juice enhances the taste and helps with stability. For consistency, gradually add small amounts of water for a thinner icing, or more powdered sugar for a thicker one. Remember, a thicker icing is ideal for outlining, while a slightly thinner consistency is perfect for flooding your designs. This control is key for beautiful decorations. Finally, proper storage is crucial for your homemade royal icing. Always store it in an airtight container at room temperature. To prevent a crust from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the icing. It can be stored for up to 2 weeks. Before using it again, give it a good stir or re-whip it briefly to restore its smooth consistency. Enjoy your beautifully decorated treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.